FLUKE 2062 Advanced Pro Wire Tracer features Smart Sensor mode, enabling you to find the precise position and direction of a wire by visualizing it on the 3.5-inch LCD color display. Once you've connected the red and green test leads to the transmitter, connect an alligator clip or outlet adapter to the red test lead. Insert the outlet adapter into the hot wire of an outlet receptacle on the load side of the circuit. And using the alligator clip for the green test lead, attach the green lead to a separate ground, such as a water pipe, ground stake, metal grounded structure of a building, or outlet ground on a different circuit. Now that you've got everything connected, turn on the transmitter. Depending on the voltage detected, the transmitter will automatically select energized or de-energized mode. Smart Sensor mode only works on energized wires, so make sure the voltage warning indicator is solid red, meaning the signal is energized. If the voltage indicator is off, that means the signal is de-energized and Smart Sensor mode won't work. A red blinking light indicates an energized over-voltage signal, and the transmitter should be disconnected from the circuit immediately. Next, select high or low mode. For most applications, high mode is recommended. Use low mode to generate a weaker signal and reduce coupling to nearby wires or objects. Now you're ready to turn on the receiver. Stand at least 3 feet or about 1 meter from the transmitter to minimize signal interference. In the menu, we're going to select Smart Sensor mode. You could also use tip sensor mode for traditional wire tracing. Hold the receiver up to the targeted area. Adjust the sensitivity until you find signal strength around 75%. An arrow on the receiver screen will show you what direction to move toward, so you can find the wire you want to trace. If you see a question mark in the red area, the receiver can't detect a signal, or the signal is not strong enough to display a direction. In this case, move the receiver closer to the target area or increase the sensitivity. If the target is green, the receiver is directly over the wire. Once you've lined the receiver up, you're good to trace the wire with your FLUKE 2062 Advanced Pro Wire Tracer. For more information, go to fluke.com.